What's up guys, my name is WayForward. Welcome to my 8th Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about the switch statement. In the previous tutorial I talked about if statement, and I said it is the only logical statement we have in Java. Actually, I'm wrong about that. We have something called the switch statement. So it's more like an if statement, but the structure is quite different from the if statement. So let's go by doing a simple example of the switch statement. So I need to declare a variable, so I need to declare a variable which is a, and then what other thing do I need? Okay, so let me import. Okay, I have the scanner a, then let me give my scanner a name equals to new scanner system dot in push up. So I need to accept this, which is gonna be, okay, let me use a cout statement. So I'm through with the first step here. So when this program runs now, there will be a prompt, enter any value from 1 to 4. So anything I entered will be stored in the variable a. So I need to put the a into the switch statement to perform its operation. So that's switch switch is goes here, then a curly bracket. So the next thing after I have assign the variable into the switch statement, then here comes a keyword with the case. So the way this switch statement works is that if 1 is imputed here, then the case in the statement in this first case will be executed. So I can have as many cases as possible, such as case 2, and then the colon, and then say case 3, case 3, then case 4. So depending on how I want the program to operate, so let me just see out some things here so you would see what I'm saying. So I have to copy this. I'm not like typing it all over again. So let me say you entered 1. Let me copy this again. Control C, Control V, Control V. So here will be 2, here will be 3, and here will be 4. So after this we have so you should always remember that once you complete a case, then you should always put the break statement. If this is not there, then probably if this first case has been executed, it will automatically jump to the second case, and then the third case, and the fourth one. So the thing you need to do is just to break each case. So let's do it by breaking all the old case here. Let me just copy this, Control C, Control V, Control V. So that's that. And there's something also called default, ULT, and let's see out something here. I'll still explain this all over again, so just be patient please. It should be invalid input. So I've been able to complete this statement, so let me just explain it all over again. The first thing I have in line 1 is I had to input the scanner, and here you should know before you can accept an input in Java you need to import the scanner class. And then the fifth line is where I created an object for the scanner, which is this, and then I had to see out the first statement in the program, which is enter any value from 1 to 4. So this is where I need to store the value. So once the value has been imputed, it's going to store in the variable a. Then the a is passed into the switch statement. So it has 4 cases in its body. So once 1 has been entered, there should be something you entered 1. If it is 2, then you have 2. If it is 3, and so on. So you might just want to test the program by typing any other value apart from 1 to 4. Then you're gonna get an invalid input. So let's run this program rather than just talking. So I don't understand this. I'm sorry, I was having a little issue with my system, but I've been able to resolve the issue. So let me run the program now. So you can see here I have enter any value from 1 to 4, which is what is here. So let's assume I imputed 3. You can see you entered 3. So let me run it over again and try something different from 1 to 4 and see what the output is going to be. Let me output 9. You can see invalid input. So depending on the type of program you are writing or the structure of the program, just know after the first case, then different kind of statement can be stored here. So let's remove this. Let me comment this and see why I told you the break is important. So let me type 1. You can see you entered 1, you entered 2. So instead of the program to just stop here, it will just roll over to the case 2. So you can see the break is very important here. So this is a simple example on how to use a switch statement. So probably in my next tutorial I will do more example on the switch statement and then the if statement. So thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Thank you.